Welcome to the Star Industries Mini Concrete Placement Bucket. This is perfect for those small landscape jobs, do-it-yourself jobs, and it doesn't require an extra tool like a wheelbarrow. This is a newly designed product for us. The design is smart, yet very simple in its design. First of all, there's no moving parts. It offers you an open chute for gravity-fed concrete to be poured right out. The shell is made of 3/16 heavy-duty material. Like several of our buckets, it's got a nice hat reinforcement section across the top. It's 100% welded on the inside. We have 4 scuff bars underneath it to provide extra reinforcement. And like many of the Star attachments, it's covered by an industry-leading 5-year warranty.